If you've been into meditation lately and you've been researching meditation, you would have learned that in fact there's many different types of meditation. There's walking meditation, yoga, auditory visual meditation where you're either just focusing on what you're hearing in the environment or just looking at something and you're just zoning out on something, breathing meditation where you're just focusing on your breath. And I would even say that cardio exercise is a form of meditation because it's just that repetitive motion and you're not really thinking about anything. You hardly can think about anything. You're just breathing hard and just continuing your exercise. But today, I just want to talk about one specific type of meditation, which is a really amazing type of meditation, and you can go really, really deep with it. And this specific type of meditation is transcendental meditation. Now, there is this transcendental dental meditation organization, this company that is a worldwide company, but the thing is, it's just a complete and total scam. They have these locations throughout the world, and I was just looking at the website for the Canadian on their Canadian website, and for two people, they charge $2,650. So $1,325 per person for this course to learn transcendental meditation that you can learn completely for free online on YouTube. There's lots of videos about it, but I just want to explain to you how I do it. And so, yeah, I don't know what kind of people would actually go to this organization to do this meditation, but I feel like it would be very foolish to do so because it would be a complete waste of money. And I think that if you can just be dedicated to it, and that's all you really need, you just need dedication and you can just do it at home. It's pretty easy. It's not too complicated, it's fairly simple. And so I'll just kind of start out with how you would start out with it. So, first of all, you just kind of get into a really comfortable position, either sitting down or lying down. But personally, I'm more relaxed when I'm lying down. So I'll just lie down. Somewhere in nature would be the best, like in a park or something on a beautiful day with the sun shining down on you, or in the shade, or or what have you, where however you're most comfortable. You just want to get really comfortable and just make sure that your body is very loose. And then the other thing is that you just want to make sure that you really have no excess energy. So before you do your meditation, it's not really good to consume caffeine because that creates a bit of a nervousness in the human body and in the mind, and that will prevent you from going deep into your meditation. But so yeah, I suggest on the days that you're meditating, you avoid consuming much caffeine, if any, and then also just making sure that you're not really very hungry. I mean, I don't even get that hungry even if I fast for like 14 hours, 15 hours, but you don't really want to be feeling like your stomach is grumbling and and you're super hungry. You want to be totally kind of satisfied. You want to have all the aspects of what you need satisfied within your body. And you just kind of want to have, even within your mind, like everything like kind of orderly in your life, because like if you're just trying to meditate but you can't stop thinking about some like nonsense that's happening in your life, it's going to be difficult to get into that meditation in a productive way. So yeah, that's just a little tangent. But anyway, so you just want to get into this comfortable position and relax all your muscles, just relax your entire body and just breathe deeply. And then what you want to do is you want to repeat a word in your mind, but this word has to be a non-word. This word has to literally mean nothing to you. So my word is tula, which to me literally means nothing. It's just like a word that I've made up. And so you can invent your own word. It's nice to make it kind of sound relaxing. And yeah, some people, they don't like to share the word that they use in their transcendental meditation, but personally, I find that it doesn't really matter. It's like I can always come up with a new one, and like if somebody else knows my word, it doesn't really matter. It's not a big secret or anything, but each to their own. So, yeah, you just say this word, which doesn't mean anything, and you just say it repeatedly in your mind. Just tula, 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 but not out loud, just in your mind. And then mm, over time, after you're doing this for a while, like thoughts will pervade your mind. Like thoughts will kind of come in, and you'll kind of think like, oh, what is so and so doing? What am I gonna have for dinner? Like just random thoughts, pointless thoughts. We have these thoughts like all the time, right? Like our minds are constantly going, but in this instance, you just want to like just let them go. Just let the thought go. It's just a pointless thought, and just let it float back into the infinity, and just continue saying tu la, tu la, tu la, tu la, or whatever your word is, you know? It could be any word without any meaning. So you just keep saying your word in your mind, and you just do this for quite a long time. You do it for about normally about maybe 1 hour, half an hour minimum, maybe up to 2 hours. And yeah, one of the deepest meditations that I've experienced has been doing transcendental meditation for a couple hours. And but this was after doing it every day for about a few months. And I just was just in this like amazing nothingness where there was no thoughts whatsoever like coming in, and I was just like feeling super calm and super amazing. And a very interesting experience. But even if you don't reach that point, like you will still see the benefits of this meditation, but you won't see the benefits right away. This is not like some instant gratification. It's like with anything in life, like if you just put the work in and you just keep putting the work in, like when you go to the gym, you're not going to like see any improvements by going to the gym once, you know. You're going to see improvements by going to the gym like regularly, like every week, or like quite a few times a week, like for months or years. Is that's when you're going to see the improvement in strength, endurance, in your in the actual shape and form of your muscles. And the same goes true with meditation. It will take a while to see the benefits, but I think that after a little while, after a few weeks or so, you'll start to notice that, wow, I love doing this. This is making me feel so calm, you know? And I always felt that after doing meditation, I felt like the world was brighter in a sense, because I felt that with a more calm mind, that the world just looked kind of a bit different. It's hard to explain. But and also I after having some really good meditations, I had really amazing, interesting ideas too. It's really very, very beneficial just for your enjoyment of the life, for your mind, and yeah, I think I think it makes me a lot more productive too. And so I highly recommend that you try transcendental meditation or any kind of meditation. Just yeah, it's an amazing thing. At least to try it out for a little while and see if you like it and don't give up. I know that nowadays the attention span of the human being is less and less, but I think that by doing this meditation, you can train your attention span to get better and better, you know. But yeah, that's all for today's video. If you liked the video, you can feel free to press the like button. Or if you want to see more content like this, then feel free to subscribe. I hope you all have a good night.